Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I am Pooja Ahuja and today I'm here to talk about what to do to improve spoken English, what to do to improve communication skills, what is there to work on English, how to improve, what to do, how to do to improve our English. So what is there to be done? I will discuss with you. In my last video, I got comments from many people. They were writing there like because of the lack of confidence, we are unable to speak. Many people wrote there that whenever we are talking to people face to face, so we are not getting the right word on the right time. We forget that what to say. So that is why we are unable to speak. Many people were asking many questions that how to speak, what to do. Some people were saying I do not have any partner with whom I can speak. It is all right, let's start. At least work for 30 days, work for yourself, work without any partner. At least you must start. How will you start? Just start making notes, start writing something in your copy, whatever is in your mind, write. At least you can do it from the very beginning. At least you must do it. And just try to speak whenever you are getting the opportunity. Do not feel that what other people will think about you. Start speaking, start working. And what I can do for you, I thought that I will make videos for you for upcoming 30 days. What I will cover there? I will cover vocabulary, common vocabulary in daily conversation, right? And some sentence structures, that how to speak. That sentence structures will help you, that how to make a sentence, how to frame a sentence, right? So I can do for you for 30 days. And my question is for you, that will you be with me for 30 days? Can we work together for improving our communication skill? I'm not talking only mine. I am working and I want you to work. So let's work together. Write in the comment box that you are with me. We will work together to improve our English. Are you there? Will you work? Will you study? Will you make timetable for upcoming 30 days? You have to take initiative. Otherwise what happen? Time will pass and nothing will happen. You will only think that how people can speak English. Can I speak English? How to do? How to speak? So you should take initiative. Let's work together. We will work together here for upcoming 30 days and let's see the change after 30 days. I will make video for you regularly. I'm in touch with you. Let me tell you one thing. If you want to improve your spoken English, if you want to improve your fluency, so you have to be consistent. You have to be determined to improve. At least regularly work. And I am here with you for 30 days, for upcoming 30 days. I will make videos for you, whatever I am learning regularly. I will collect vocabulary, I will collect different structures to discuss with you in my upcoming videos. And from where I will collect vocabulary, from where I will collect sentences, I will collect sentences from different sources. The sources can be YouTube videos, the sources can be any book, any website, Audible stories. I listen Audible stories in English from where I can collect words. So these are the resources from where I will collect vocabulary, and I just want you to work on it. I just want you to be with me to work. So we are here to work together to improve our communication skills. So write in the comment box that you are going to work with me. We will together improve our communication skills, improve our speaking skills. So today what I have to discuss with you, today I will discuss with you the replacement of very. I think you might have heard many times this word very cute, very important, very tasty, very tired. So these are very common words that generally in daily vocabulary we use. So instead of saying very many times, so can we replace the very word with a decent and fancy word? So today we are going to work on vocabulary. Vocabulary will be based on replacement of very. So let's start. The first word is very cute. Very cute. Instead of saying very cute, you can say adorable. Adorable. Next is very tasty. Instead of saying very tasty, you can say delicious, yummy, palatable. Next, very tired. Very common word it is. Very tired. So very tired can be replaced with exhausted. Exhausted. Okay. I am exhausted today. It means I am very tired today. So the next is very important. Very important. The replacement of very important is crucial, vital, pivotal. Crucial, vital, pivotal. These are the replacement of very important. Next is very big. Very big. The replacement of very big is huge, huge, colossal, massive, gigantic, giant. These are the replacement of very big. Next is very small. Very small. The replacement of very small is tiny, subtle, minute. Tiny. We are the tiny part of God. Tiny, small, subtle. I can say there is a subtle difference between these two objects. Subtle means very small and minute. Very bad, awful, obnoxious, terrible. Very good, awesome. Very good, awesome, incredible. Incredible means very good. Very weak, frail, feeble. Very weak, frail, feeble. Very strong, very strong. Robust, powerful, sturdy. Very strong, robust, powerful, sturdy. Very lazy. Very lazy, lethargic or indolent. Lethargic or indolent is the replacement of very lazy. Very hungry. Very hungry. The replacement of very hungry is starving. Starving. Thanks for watching this video. I will make part 2. I will make another video that is part 2 of the replacement of very, because still some words remains to be discussed with you. So I will discuss with you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.